Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Inazuma 11 Victory Road game crashing, lagging, freezing, not launching, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings. Now choose device and connections. Then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and finally click on clear persistent storage. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings, then choose network settings. After that, click on test network connection and then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next solution is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Inazuma 11 Victory Road update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check for the game update and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next solution is to clear cache off on the game. For that, press Xbox guide, click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Inazuma 11 Victory Road game, then press menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons. After that, tap on Save Data and then click on Reserved Space and finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account and click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove and select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then select System and then select Updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin updating. After updating, check if you can play the game. If not, next solution is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System. Then click on Settings, then click on System and then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or game to create space. Next method is to reinstall Inazuma 11 Victory Road game. For that, press Xbox button controller. Now move to My Games and Apps and select See All option. Here select Inazuma 11 Victory Road. Then press menu button and then select Uninstall. After the game is removed, open Inazuma 11 Victory Road official website and download the game and then check if you can play the game. If not, final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.